As Industry 4.0 develops, intelligent manufacturing surges as a trend. The abilities to consolidate data for automation equipment and to monitor the production remotely with AI are keys to success. Solomon's robotic arm, JustPick, has a built-in intelligent 3D sorting system. It can identify and sort packages efficiently. Robot has designed a force controller that allows robotic arms to mimic human muscles to accurately grind and polish. The wire-cutting EDM NP600L by Exotic has intelligent interface to do digital power management. It helps the equipment stay stable and efficient. The invention of conversion coating increases magnesium alloy's corrosion resistance. The material can now be more widely used. CPS Grinding and Polishing Robot 3.0, designed by Team RobotSmith, uses simulation software, cyber physical system, and optimal parameter prediction to finely grind and polish with efficiency. LIM 3D circuit allows nano-triggered colloid coating to be applied on irregular surfaces. With more routing choices, wearable electronics can be further developed. The future of the intelligent industry is in smart manufacturing and discovering technology treasures of TIE's Innovation Pilot. Come see how Taiwan shines as the leader of Industry 4.0.